Good morning, everyone. Just going to share this in another group. This pops up. Hello, Instagram. We are going to be chatting about seasonal discomfort today. Everything that makes you itchy, sneezy, all the things. This brought about because I walked outside this morning and I felt it. All right. 1 second here as I get this taken care of. Perfect. Good morning. I already said that, but that's okay. So I want to chat with you guys about the top 4 remedies for relief for seasonal discomfort today. So whenever I walked outside this morning in PA anyways, it's very hot outside and it's kind of muggy and just we had our windows open last night because it was really nice outside last night and woke up as well as, just walking outside this morning with just like that dry, scratchy throat, nose, like, using 1,000 tissues, all those uncomfortable things. So I want to chat about the natural relief that you can do for those issues. So the first thing that I recommend you do if you are prone to seasonal discomfort would be to make sure you're diffusing 24/7 in your home. Make sure you're diffusing lemon, lavender, and peppermint. These are the trio for seasonal discomfort, the main 3 that we use here to combat this. So what I do is every morning, whenever I go downstairs, I put lemon, lavender, and peppermint in the diffuser, and I set it for 10 hours. And I just let it run all day whenever I'm feeling the discomfort. So not only does this help relieve your symptoms, but it also helps purify the air. Therefore, you're taking care of anything that might be in the air in your home from leaving the windows open at night, and you're just creating a better space to breathe and relieve your symptoms. The second thing that you can do is at night, you can diffuse Breathe. So Breathe is our respiratory blend, and this helps with every respiratory issue you can think of. Now, it opens up our airways, and it also helps to clean the air as well. So whenever you're diffusing this at night, it's just going to help promote better breathing, a lot less, all the discomfort that you have going on, especially if you are choosing to leave your windows open. So this is like a necessity in our home. Like if our windows are open, like we have to have breathe in the diffuser, and we usually do every night anyways. We use lavender and breathe. We have 2 diffusers in our room. We have Carter's little one, the whale one, and then we have the Lumo. So the whale one, we put lavender and breathe, and sometimes some other things. That actually not only helps you sleep, but again, providing respiratory support for you and, all the little lungs in your home. If you have a problem with snoring, this will help relieve those problems as well. So aside from, diffusing the lemon, lavender, and peppermint during the day and the breathe and lavender at night, you can also take them internally, the lemon, lavender, and peppermint. So if you're not familiar with our Tri-Ease blend is our seasonal blend that helps relieve the symptoms of seasonal discomfort. So if you know that you are prone to seasonal discomfort, then I highly recommend taking, 1 or 2 Tri-Ease capsules every day, every morning, every night, throughout the day, whatever you need. If you do not have the Tri-Ease capsule or the Tri-Ease supplements, though, what you can do is you can take your lemon, lavender, and peppermint. There are 3 bottles here. Let's see if I can hold them up. Nope, can't see them. You could take your lemon, lavender, and peppermint just in your regular bottles, and you can get veggie caps, which are just empty veggie capsules that you can put your own custom blends in. So put 2 drops of the lemon, lavender, and peppermint in there. And I also like to throw in a drop of On Guard because On Guard also helps with our immune system as well. So all of this combined is going to really help your symptoms. So put those in a veggie cap. Personally, I take it in the morning and I take it in the afternoon and in the evening if I am feeling like mass discomfort. You know, like some days when your neighbor's cutting their grass all day long, you know, like, and then the next day the next neighbor cuts the grass, you know what I mean? So it's just like a thing. So if that's what's going on, then make sure that you're, you know, taking things a little more. The other thing that you can add in is not, like I said, I was talking about the On Guard, adding in the On Guard. So the On Guard is the protective blend. And this is not only going to boost your immune system, but this is going to help with any of that, like scratchy throat symptoms that you have, you know, all of those things, and then protect it from getting any further. So what you can also do with the On Guard is, if you're familiar, they have the On Guard beadlets, and they're little beadlets, and it's a quarter drop, and you can pop them in your mouth every time you go outside. And that's what I do, honestly, because it's so helpful to kind of just protect yourself from, you know, breathing in all the things that you're breathing in. Now, the last thing that you can do is make your own seasonal discomfort rollerball. And what I do is I take a 10 milliliter rollerball of, okay, so just a 10 milliliter rollerball here. And I'll put about 10 drops of lemon, lavender, peppermint, and a couple drops of Breathe in here. And I'll fill the rest up with fractionated coconut oil. And what I'll do is I will take it and I will just literally like roll it over my sinuses and on my chest. If I'm outside and I'm, you know, having a lot of seasonal discomfort symptoms and, you know, itchy, sneezy, like all the things. And I'll do that. And you can do that as often as you need to. If it is for younger kids, you want to make sure that you dilute it. And what I do is, my son is 3, and to be honest, he doesn't ever really have any seasonal discomfort, you know, symptoms or anything like that. But I have an allergy blend or a seasonal discomfort blend already ready for him to go. And I put 5 drops of lemon, 5 drops of lavender, and 5 drops of peppermint in there. And again, these are the 3. In here. And I will just roll it over his sinuses, roll it over his chest. I also have his separate, I have the Breathe stick. There's a Breathe respiratory stick. And it's already it's kind of like a, just a vapor stick in a way. And it's just, you can rub it right on the chest, right on the bottoms of the feet to help, you know, open up those airways. So, excuse me. So whenever, you know, you get up in the morning, what I do personally is, you know, I'll take, again, if I'm feeling the effects of what's going on outside, I will take the lemon, the lavender, and the peppermint and the On Guard in my rollerball, and I will put it on the bottoms of my feet. Or if I don't have my rollerball with me, I'll just take a drop of each and I'll put it on the bottoms of my feet before I get out of bed or after my shower or whatever I do. And then I'll do this again before I go to bed. And again, so you could just make it into a rollerball and just use it all the time, or you could just use your straight drops. Whatever works best for you. The rollerball is super convenient, and I will link up a recipe for that so you guys know. And it's just, it's amazing the difference that you'll feel. But yeah, so I just wanted to share this with you guys because I know that so many people suffer from this, and why not make it a little better, right? So this is what I do, and this is what my family does to help support that issue in our home. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out and drop your comments below, whatever you would like to do. If you are not started with oils and you are ready to get started, you can click the link right here that I have on the side of the video on Facebook, on Instagram. I will type it in here so that we can share it with you guys as well. And just click that link and it'll get you started. So lemon, lavender, and peppermint, breathe, and on guard all come in the starter kits, which is really awesome. So if that is something that you're ready to jump in, go ahead and jump on over there. doTERRA is running a promo this month in May 2018 for a free On Guard Wild Orange, On Guard hand sanitizer, and On Guard toothpaste for free with every 200 PV order. So if you need help with that, feel free to reach out and I'll be here. Talk to you guys later.